So the next question here is, what will happen after humans come together in unity remaining? What will this unity look like, if you may? What will it provide as an experience? Well, if you imagine yourself in an infinite orgasm, maybe you get a glimpse of it. And I'm not telling you that worlds won't continue that function like the ones that we're living in like the one that we're living in right now at its stage of division. Unity is something that is happening now. It is a space. It is a party that is going on that maybe you haven't been invited to or invited yourself to or haven't entered. So what does that look like? It looks like, if you could imagine everything that you've ever lost, to know that it was never lost. If you could imagine, see, what you lose is what you forget. Let us be very clear here. When we say we lost someone, what we're really saying is we forgot something. So imagine a space where everything that you forgot is still intact. And imagine the moments of where you come to realize that you have not lost it and that it's still there. Some liken that unto maybe pets that have died, parents that have died, children that have died, things that they've lost that they think that they can never recover again. All of that is in one space, and that space is called unity. And that experience, what it would be like, I guess you would have to get there to see, because it can't even be articulated in words.